Hi, my name is Markus Vollmer, and in this tutorial you will learn how to install HRVTool, the toolbox for analyzing heart rate variability in Matlab. You will learn about the system requirements, how to get help, and we will start HRVTool for the first time. So let's get started and open Matlab. Go to the Apps menu and click on Get More Apps. This will open the add-on Explorer. Type HRV and go to the first link. Here you will get some general information about the toolbox. So you need a Matlab version of R1014b or later. There is no need of additional toolbox to be installed, except of image processing toolbox, which is nice to have. The toolbox has been tested on Windows 7, Linux and Ubuntu, and macOS. Supported file types are HRM files from polar watches, MUT and text files containing the war data, so the waveform or RR intervals. FusionNet ECG files are supported if the WFDB toolbox has been installed. Hexaskin wave files and the European data font. Go to Learn More to open the GitHub repository. This is the index of all the files which comes along with the installation, and the Matlab install file itself. This is what you need to install the toolbox on Matlab. So click on Download. Another way of getting the toolbox is to go to the project page. Go back and click on the link. Here you get updates about changes I made, about signs, and you will have the user manual in English and German language. So whenever you're stuck in using the toolbox, please check the manual first. You can also send me an email, or you can post your issues on GitHub. There. Let's go back to Matlab. Once you have downloaded the Matlab installation file, click on it to install. A new icon will appear here in the toolstrip. There you see also the file location. So whenever a problem occurs, you can also change your code by yourself. Click on HRVTool to start the toolbox for the first time. You will get some notification that you can post any issue and mail me. And this is the toolbox, how it looks like. In the next tutorials, you will learn more about the interface, about artifacts and filtration, about continuous HRV measurement, and how to import and export data. So see you again within the next tutorial. Bye.